Math Heuristics. Draw a model or diagram method. Let's check out the tips for drawing models as well as 3 examples. Tips for drawing models. How to draw a model quickly and neatly. For example, Ting Ting has 5 times as much money as her little brother. Both of them have $300 altogether. How much money does Ting Ting have? I believe that most of you would have a stencil that is similar to this. But this is not compulsory. You can also draw models freehand if you wish. A model simply helps you to visualize better, that's all. It does not have to be perfect in terms of proportion. First, draw a straight vertical line with your ruler or stencil. This line will help you to draw your model more quickly and neatly. Place the stencil against the vertical line as shown. Ting Ting has $250. In drawing models, just draw a long rectangle to represent that 5 units. Do not waste time drawing those 5 little units. Moreover, if you were to show that 5 little units, you may encounter difficulties for some types of questions. In example 3, you will probably be able to appreciate this. Marcus had $180 more than Lucas at first. After Lucas spent $60, Marcus had 4 times as much money as Lucas. How much money does Marcus have? Marcus has $320. City, Tim and Roy collected plastic bottles for a recycling event. At the end of 1 month, City had collected 5/6 as many plastic bottles as Tim, while Roy had collected 32 fewer plastic bottles than Tim. If the total number of plastic bottles collected by the three children was 393, how many plastic bottles did City collect? City collected 125 plastic bottles. Ella has 3 times as many sweets as Gracelyn. Joy has 16 fewer sweets than Ella. They have 159 sweets altogether. How many sweets does Ella have? Ella has 75 sweets. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.